What's up, y'all? I'm finna go to my friend's house. She got her new car. She think she all that now. She got her new car. Yes, yes. I look wretched. I'm wearing shorts. It's cold outside. So people get out the road. So
you can slow down.
I'm putting this on Facebook. Hey, Facebook. Y'all on Facebook.
Don't give a damn.
Christy is crazy. But what's up? I'm gonna go to my friend's house. I look ratchet, so don't mind me. So say hey, Facebook.
Hey, Facebook.
Hey, Facebook. Cold.
Why are you looking at your butt, Ryan?
He's trying to see how big it is. Oh my god. Y'all need to hurry up, it's cold. You don't have no jacket on? You put
Look at me freezing my son.
right, turn up. I hear Dookie. You don't know Duke?
Ew.
Duke, the dog.
Oh.
You saw, oh my god.
Okay, if that dog comes near me, I swear to God.
What dog?
That dog right there. I will kill it.
I'm so cold. Babe, if you looking at this, I really miss you. Like, you need to come over here. I miss you. You need to come and chill with me. Cause I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Oh my gosh, I see the car. But bye, Facebook. Bye.